Sheena Nancy Sarles with your GYG tip of the moment. We're surrounded by sound. Some of it is chaotic and disturbing, and some of it is sweet and gentle. All of it affects our cells, our well-being, and our health. So take a moment and listen to the beautiful flute sounds coming from sound healer Shervin Boloorian. Our body responds to these sounds, and we want to be calm, live in peace and serenity. So many times we're surrounded by the chaos of sound, of lawnmowers and trucks and construction and disturbances. So while these are vital to our lifestyle, we have to make sure that we surround ourselves with calming, peaceful sound. So every day, play some music, go to nature, listen to the birds. This is how we live fully in ourselves, in our good health. Sounds around you. Allow the sounds to come in that nourish you, that allow you to appreciate. Let go of the sounds of chaos and disturbances. Imagine yourself a tall, sturdy tree, and each leaf, as it leaves, takes away any difficulties, any challenges, any disturbances, and allow yourself to be totally immersed in calm, peace, serenity, tranquility. growingyoungergracefully.com, and for more of Shervin's beautiful sound healing music, soundhealingbali.com.